My name is Morunga. I work for Whirinaki Trust and I'm the lead for Mahi A Tengatenga, which is a project within our community. It's across the board. I suppose our focus is really awa restoration. That's just kind of like our goal, Whirinaki awa restoration. But we're just sort of targeting two areas at the moment. One is weed control around our awa and surrounding whenua. And then the second phase of our work for this current year is also possum control, pest control in general. Yeah, those are our two focus points for the Mahi. I suppose one of the key things is weeds. Is one of the things that have taken off within our hapu. The types of weeds and the amount of weeds within our awa have changed over time to the worse, I suppose. Probably about 6 years ago, the river was fully fenced off from any stock excluded. I was excluding all stock, and that's kind of been like a detrimental factor as well. So it's been positive, stopping animals coming into the awa, but what it creates is a wealth of area to where weeds grow. So if there's not getting any control within that between the fence and the awa, then you've got weed coverage or weed issues to deal with. So, really just for our futures, yeah, for our next generation, just trying to keep it intact. So yes, for my mokopuna and their mokopuna. In the space of whānau and hapu, got to look after it. I just think really just come down to going back to what we love, and what we love is kai, I don't know, and we love to harvest. We're hunter-gatherers, we love to harvest, we like to feed our hapu. So that's my thought, is we can look after the kai that we have and we gather, and this is our tuna, this is our kukupa, and we got introduced pests like puaka, the pigs. We want to keep them there, but we don't want them taking over our whenua, so that's my aspiration.